SOS Pakistan is providing children, families, and communities with relief services and to help with a rapid scale-up of response across the calamity-declared districts.
So far, SOS Children Villages Pakistan has sent 180 million rupees worth of food ration packets, tents, bedding, blankets, wash kits and medicines in 90 trucks to flood affectees in Sindh and Balochistan, with an estimated beneficiaries of 70,000. 48 trucks were sent to Shahdad Kot, Shikarpur, Jacobabad and Kashmir districts of Sindh, whereas Jafrabad, Khanpur Jamali and Sobatpur districts of Balochistan received 42 trucks.
Please come forward and help us in our mission.